Hi everyone, I'm Lorenzo Di Mattia, manager of Hedge Invest Build a Macro Fund. We'll tell you what we have done in June and the outlook for the summer and the rest of the year. June was a positive month. We entered the month with our call of reopening, basically a reopening trade. We were long cyclicals. We were short NASDAQ and government bonds as a hedge. And the first 10 days worked very well. Then a second wave, or the first wave for some states in the US, started to appear pretty obvious with increasing cases, although deaths are not increasing. And we initially actually took profits from the trades the first week of June because they were very overbought, thinking the reopening trade would actually continue. But then we observed a dangerous increase in cases, and we got out from the trade thinking that additional lockdown could be possible, or at least delays in opening. In fact, that's what actually happened. So we cut exposure to a minimum. We put in the portfolio a small basket of precious metal stocks as they are a good hedge, and even if it's risk on, they tend to work. And going forward, there is the usual and even more extreme divergence between growth and value. We exceeded levels only seen in 2000 already during the crisis, during the coronavirus crash in March. And then it seemed that value took the leadership, but it only lasted about a month, a little less than a month. The move was violent, but as the virus appeared again in the US, growth took the leadership again. And now we are almost as extreme as we were in March again. Everything is higher. So even the Russell is about 20% higher than the low in May. And we are seeing signs of speculation, especially in technology stocks and growth stocks, and speculative Chinese stocks as well, which are rare and very extreme. Companies that have no earnings are going up 200, 300, 400, 600% in few weeks, and the price to sales of companies that are not even they don't even have a competitive advantage in the long run, like Microsoft had, for example, or Amazon. They're trading at not only above all-time highs price to sales, which we have seen in 2000, which was about 35 to 40 times. They're trading at 60, 70, even 80. In the case of Zoom video, 88 times sales, referring to trailing sales. So these are extremes that very unique extremes, that because they are so unique, they can even continue some more. But there is no doubt that there is a bubble. We're seeing a bubble in these technology stocks. Given the liquidity, it's hard to pinpoint the exact top, but we're thinking that the summer, before the end of the month, we will start a correction, and we're playing that carefully because, again, it's a parabolic move in a lot of names. So we are waiting for the right setup, but we believe the correction will be 10-15%. Then the value stocks would probably initially correct together, but as the virus get under control in the US, hopefully by the end of August, then the reopening trade and buying value stocks will make sense again, but this is for later. So right now we're looking to profit from a correction, and we are only long a basket of precious metal stocks and very few other names, and we are short the S&P. Thank you very much.